What's up, guys? My original plan was to give you this video on yesterday, but I was not feeling very well. So I spent the rest of the day being sick. I'm feeling a little better today, but I was like, let me go ahead and post this one. And if I can muster up the strength, I will post another one tonight. So hope y'all like it. I'm just showing you everything I got from Dollar Tree to make this wreath. I think it maybe cost me like $7 to make a wreath, which was pretty good compared to paying 30 or more for the ones I saw. So right here, I'm just cutting up the mesh ribbon into little squares. I didn't measure them and they're different sizes, but that's cool with me. Right here, I'm taking a piece of the mesh and rolling it up. After you roll it up, you can take a piece of pipe cleaner, which I cut mine into 3s, and wrap it around. And that's what you're going to use to secure the little ribbon piece onto the metal wreath. Okay, so now I'm just showing you how it looks so far after putting all the ribbon on, and I saw a lot of space and I realized I had some extra ribbon. So I kind of like tucked that in between. This is the finished product. I hot glued the glitter pumpkins around and I added the leaf garland just to fill in more spaces and make it more full. If you like how this turned out, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing more DIY decor videos soon. Peace.